Welcome back to our channel. Research ethics is a set of guidelines that help researchers conduct their studies successfully while maintaining integrity and ensuring the well-being of participants. Today, we'll explore the key principles and ethical considerations that researchers encounter throughout their journey. So, let's jump right in. Research ethics principles revolve around various stages of the research process. From data collection to the interpretation of findings, and from reporting and publication to the confidentiality of participants, researchers must navigate these ethical considerations with utmost care. The ethical review process plays a critical role in upholding research integrity. Ethical committees, or ECs, carefully evaluate research proposals to ensure compliance with ethical guidelines. They address concerns related to participant well-being, data handling, confidentiality, and other ethical issues. Let's take a look at some of the general ethical issues researchers encounter. First, there's the importance of conducting a benefit-risk assessment to ensure that the potential benefits of the research outweigh any potential risks. Informed consent is another crucial aspect, where participants are fully informed and provide their consent to participate voluntarily. Privacy and confidentiality are vital ethical considerations. Researchers must protect the identity and personal information of participants, ensuring their anonymity. Conflict of interest, COI, is another area that needs careful management to avoid any biases that could compromise the integrity of the research. Data acquisition, management, sharing, and ownership require responsible practices. Researchers must handle data securely, maintain proper records, and appropriately credit the sources when using data from others. Responsible authorship and publication involve giving due credit to all contributors and avoiding any misconduct, such as plagiarism or self-plagiarism. Responsible conduct of research, RCR, encompasses the values, policies, planning, and reporting of research. It promotes integrity and ensures adherence to ethical standards. Research misconduct, including fabrication, falsification, and plagiarism, also known as FFP, is strictly discouraged. Plagiarism, the act of passing off someone else's work as one's own, is a serious offense that applies not only to scientific publications but also to internal reports, textbooks, monographs, and grant proposals. In order to combat plagiarism, various tools and initiatives have been developed. For instance, the UGC software serves as a plagiarism checker, helping researchers detect any instances of copied content. Additionally, the Consortium for Academic and Research Ethics, CARE, has created a reference list of quality journals to assist researchers in identifying reputable publications for their work. Responsible conduct of research encompasses values, policies, planning, and conducting research in an ethical manner. It emphasizes the importance of maintaining integrity and adhering to ethical standards throughout the research process. Proper review and reporting of research findings, as well as responsible authorship and publication practices, are integral components of research ethics. Plagiarism remains a significant concern in academia. It involves taking someone else's work or ideas and presenting them as one's own. Self-plagiarism, which refers to using one's own previously published work without proper citation, and duplicate publication, submitting the same research results to multiple journals as separate publications, are also forms of plagiarism that need to be avoided. Plagiarism is not limited to scientific publications, it extends to internal reports, textbooks, monographs, and grant proposals. Ethical considerations are paramount in research, as they ensure the protection of participants, maintain integrity, and uphold the values of the scientific community. Researchers must be mindful of these ethical principles at every stage of their research journey, from the initial proposal to the dissemination of their findings. That concludes our exploration of research ethics and its various principles and considerations. By adhering to ethical guidelines, researchers can foster a culture of trust, integrity, and responsible conduct in their pursuit of knowledge. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.